Match the words. Then, use 5 of them to complete the sentences.
Solve crimes. Classic adventure. Ruined my plans. Broke the silence. Stand guard. Stare helplessly. Coal black.
Detectives are people who solve crimes. Natalia has wonderful coal-black hair. The Jungle Book is a classic adventure by Rudyard Kipling. The heavy rain and the dense white fog ruined my plans, so I stayed in. A dreadful sound broke the silence in the huge manor house. Vanished, forced, realized, chamber, afraid, whispered, powerful, passage.
My favorite book is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. 2. She whispered something to his ear and started crying. 3. Ken is afraid of the dark. 4. Dragons were powerful mythical creatures. 5. Harry and Ron followed the dark passage over the moor. 6. The enormous creature vanished down a well. We never saw it again. 7. She realized there was a hound in the manor house and ran away. 8. They didn't like them, so they forced them to live underground. Match the words. Fall asleep, заснуть. Musical instrument. Howl of a wolf, вой волка. Cry of a swan. Крик лебедя. Great thinker. Long ago. Go out into the world. Ruler of the land.
Message, struck, supposed, set, slammed, felt, failed, hesitate.
We felt sorry for the poor boy. Мы сочувствовали бедному мальчику. 2. He didn't hesitate to help those who needed help. Он не колебался, чтобы оказать помощь тем, кто нуждается. 3. She failed in her task and started crying. Она не выполнила ее задание или провалила и начала плакать. 4. A sudden disaster struck North Carolina and destroyed the seeds. Внезапное стихийное бедствие настигло Северную Каролину и уничтожило растения, семена растений. 5. George was supposed to be there at 6 o'clock, but he wasn't. Джордж должен был быть здесь в 6 часов, но его не было. 6. The gates slammed shut behind them. Ворота захлопнулись за ним. 7. He passed the message to all his students. Он послал сообщение всем своим студентам. 8. He decided to set the birds free. Он решил выпустить птиц на свободу.
Prepositions. Choose the correct item.
She depends on no one but herself. They don't believe in the legend. Who does this box belong to? Philip is a risk-taker and wants to live a life on his own. Where does this sound come from? He raised his hands in horror. The trees were covered in blossoms.
Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like it. I have a lot of useful English videos. Подписывайся на мой канал. Не забудь поставить лайк. У меня много полезных материалов по английскому языку.